Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this video what I'll do is I'll show you a few way how you can get different courses for free on Udemy. Okay, so I have a few bunch of coupons that I have. So what I'll do is I'll just put them in the link below as well, so you can get from them. So basically the different programs that I have for today is that, so in this case it's only 1 day left. Okay, check out the time frame as well. If the time expires, the coupon expires. Okay, so Java programming fundamentals, it's only 1 day left. It would cost you $24.99, $25, whereas today you can get it for free. Okay, you can do enroll now and then you will be redirected towards another page and then use it. Okay, so similarly that is Java programming fundamentals, right? So we have another time series analysis and forecasting using Python, so you could do that. So only 2 days are left. So in this case I'll show you how it is done. So I click on enroll now. So it's $130, right? And then all you need to do is see over here, coupon discounts is applied, right? So all you need to do is enroll now. That's it. 30-day guarantee. We want you to love every course you take on Udemy, so you can start the course now. Okay, so that's how it is done. So similarly you have basic Python as well, and then how much days is it remaining over here? I don't think it's it has any time frame, so you can enroll it anytime. Okay, so similarly for crypto mining, so for crypto mining all you need to do is it's 19.99. so I think the coupon code has expired. Yeah, it has expired for this particular course. Whereas you have another course, dialogue with little thinkers, so you could enroll over here as well. And if you want to know where I got all these coupons from, is from Dix Academy, Dix Udemy, dixudemy.com, and if you go over here you can find all the coupons over here. Okay, so similarly you can basically look at like let's go Google Analytics from beginner to pro, right? So price is $49. all the details are over here, right? So go to the take course at the bottom of the page, click on this course coupon link and it will open a new page, and from here you can get it for free. Okay, so how many days is it left? 1 day. Okay, so it's basically on different time frames that you have to redeem it. So okay, so it's basically based on time frame. So yeah, don't miss out. This website is very helpful for getting different kind of coupons. So it's called Dix Udemy. So I'll put a link for that thing as well, for that website as well, and check it out. Until next time, take care, bye bye, enjoy doing all your courses, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you like it. Otherwise just leave it. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.